Nigeria's D Tigress has claimed her first Olympics win in 20 years. Nigeria defeated Australia 75-62 at the Pierre Mauroy Stadium on Monday, July 29. D Tigress led 18-17 at the end of the first quarter, and the lead was extended to 41-28 by halftime. Australia bounced back after the break, winning the third quarter 19-10, but Nigeria claimed the victory in the fourth quarter, winning 24-15 and sparking wild celebrations. Before Monday's game, the four-time African champions had never won a single game at the Olympics in their previous two appearances. It's the team's first win in an Olympic match since Athens 2004 when they defeated South Korea in an inconsequential classification game after crashing out.